What's up, YouTube? It's your boy O.B.S. We're back at it again with another episode. Guys, we've been having this question asked a lot on Instagram. I get emails, I get Facebook messages, anywhere, TikTok. So, a lot of you guys are wondering how you install the Cheyenne Emblem on these aftermarket grills. Now, guys, how I tell everybody, neither is the emblem OEM, neither is the grill OEM. Even if the grill is OEM, you still have to do a slight modification sometimes, not all the time. It is a molded emblem, so we're gonna show you guys how to do it. I mean, this is gonna be a different emblem. I'm gonna open it straight up from the box, so it might be easy, it might be hard. Hopefully it's an easy one, but hopefully it's a hard one, so I can show you guys what you might have to do to get it installed. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget, comment down below. Anything you comment down below helps us get more views, get out there to more people, and this video can help more people out. So let's go ahead and get on to the installation, guys. So we got my little knife here. Another thing, guys, when you order from the website or you order from our eBay store, the grill and the emblem do ship separate, guys, because we sell a lot of these grills. It's just kind of absurd for us to pay shipping here and then pay shipping to you guys. It is real expensive to ship these grills, like $60-70 because of the size, not much because of the weight. So we do ship them directly from warehouse to you if you order online. If you pick them up here in the store, we have like 3-5 on hand. So that's another, guys. If you get this grill, it's not gonna come with the emblem. It's on the description as well, so you guys are not, you know, being paranoid or sarcastic, like, hey man, like you know, where's my emblem? Bro, it says on there, emblem and grill shipped separately. I guess we got a free coupon to DoorDash. That probably my kids threw that in that box, guys. So, put this here. Okay. So we got the grill, and this is an all black grill. So this grill is for you guys that want to color match everything, like for the sport trucks. Usually this grill comes with the red and black emblem. This is the first emblem I got out to put on because it's an OG. It's an original. So usually with this emblem you get the one with the chrome trim. So see, guys, it has your 3 holes here. So as you guys can see, we have the 3 holes here. That's where these are gonna. All right, we got that put to the side. So you're gonna come first like that. So you have your 2 holes over here, 1 hole over here. Okay, see right there now. Okay, right now I would have been like, oh my god, this emblem does not fit, blah, blah, blah. You people panic. You panic too much. Don't be rough. Be gentle, you know. A little bit of downforce. Sometimes you gotta go in on this side first. There you go, see? Got that in. And this one slides right in. And then just grab it, push down, make sure it's good, both sides. Like that. See, that's it, guys. You just gotta maneuver a little bit. I've had times where this notch right here is not well open, so you just slice it a little bit with the knife there. It has happened where you break a screw, and it's happened to me as well, but as long as you have 2 screws holding up this emblem, guys, it ain't gonna fall off. So we're gonna go ahead and put this down here, and it's like that simple, guys. Look, everything's nice and flush here around. Nothing's more. Look, see, this one might need a little bit more pushed in, but then again, guys, remember, it's not an OEM grill, it's not an OEM emblem, so it might have as little. Okay, that's how it's gonna go. I don't want to push it in more and break it. So that's it, guys. That's it. Le pones su vasita ahí, su washer. That washer's gonna hold it down like James Brown. You grab your nut, spin that motherfucker on there. Oh shit. Ya valió verga el nut. Alright, right now I'm gonna. Oh, there you go. Sorry, guys. Excuse my fat fingers. Get your nut on there. And this, guys, pretty much works like that fast on any of your emblems. It's rare, like I said. I mean, I just grabbed one out of the 100-pound stack I have. And it was easy, guys. So if we do have any questions, guys, we do have the email below on the website. We do have the contact info, a number. Call me. Usually the number you do call is an iPhone, so I'll FaceTime you, bro. And I'll walk with you the steps, what you might be doing wrong. So we do a one-on-one, you know, customer service call. First, guys, you want to use the proper tools, but this is just me and my hands, you know, showing you guys. And this is what you're gonna get. You get the Cheyenne Emblem, a nice grill, ready to install on your trucks. Now I have already made a video how to do the conversion from an 88, 93 to 94, 98. This was more of a breakdown, just simple video, how to install the emblem on the regular grill, not on the truck. Now that's a little bit more, you know, there's more steps to that. But to install your emblem, guys, simple, as easy as 1, 2, 3. I mean, my 1-year-old could probably do it. So guys, echenle ganas. I appreciate everybody who has ordered for me since 2018. We've been sending this emblem. We were like one of the first ones to start bringing this in to the O.B.S culture. So, aquí seguimos de pie, raza. This is what you get. Down below, I'm gonna leave the link for eBay store, the website, for the emblem, for the grill. That way you can choose. There's the variety of emblems. I'll show you guys a little bit more what you can do with your emblems. See right here, guys. There's the same emblem with the same chrome trimming. That's the OG bow tie. Second one, the middle one is the stealth bow tie. Last one is the American flag. I also have the Mexican flag. And here to the right side, you will see I have the emblems by themselves as well. So if you buy an emblem and later on you want to change the logo in the middle, you have the stealth, the OG, the red, and the blue. But if you look it closely, they all look like OG. They all have that nice, you know, that's I don't know what to call it, like a galaxy looking. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much how you install the emblem. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button down below. Let's go ahead and grab some Starbucks. Vamos a dar la vuelta. We just picked up the diesel back from the dealership, so we had the fan screw go out, the AC went out, so the belt busted. Un desmadre se hizo. So we finally got it back after 2 weeks, so quedamos como niño con juguete nuevo. Let's go ahead and pick up some Starbucks, guys, and head on back to the shop. So acabamos de levantar nuestro Starbucks. Starbucks need to sponsor us because we buy this on the daily, man. You can't go your day without Starbucks. Back then it was Monsters for me, but you know, I realized Monsters are bad for you, and I learned it the hard way. So you know, we gotta have a little something. These might be bad for you too, but pues a que me digan que esto me hace daño, I'll start drinking these. So for now, puro Starbucks, you know what I'm saying? Okay, ice caramel macchiato with some cold foam. It's a spot, guys. Ah, fuck yeah. And then sometimes you gotta mix it a little bit, but it's good so far. You just gotta give it that little mix, know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, we're on our way back to the shop. Ya levantamos la diesel. So far so good, it's working good. Lady told me to leave it on because the batteries were dead. I was like, I just replaced the batteries, but it had been sitting for like 2-3 weeks, so you know, I guess we'll try it out. If it keeps down on us, and you know, we're gonna go ahead and change out the batteries. But I had just changed them all less than a year ago, so I don't know, but so far so good. Traemos clima, que es lo más importante ahorita con este calorón. By the time you watch, you guys, this video, I mean, I hope everybody stays safe out there. All my people from the Gulf Coast of Texas hasta Mexico, y'all stay safe because that storm's coming. Who knows how it's gonna be? So all my people in Houston, you know, San Antonio, Galveston, Louisiana, Mississippi, Florida, you know, all my people stay safe. Toda mi raza de Tamaulipas, de Nuevo León, cuídense porque esa tormenta viene fuerte. Y espero todos la libremos. La vemos después de la tormenta. Para ese entonces ya van a estar viendo este video. Y ahorita vamos a ir por la Lightning a hacer unos videitos para el TikTok. Síganos en TikTok, si no nos siguen en TikTok, para que vean más contenido de las trocas así de diario. Vamos a ver si podemos agarrar unas nubes que se veía medio oscuro para aquel lado, a ver cómo viene la tormenta. Y supuestamente para las 9 va a empezar a llover, así es que we gotta get some badass shots. So let's go ahead to the shop and we'll go get those shots for the Lightning. Bueno, que le vamos a dar una lavadita porque, pues, como pueden ver, va a llover, pero por la troca ya se va a hacer una jugadita porque pues tuvo mucho tiempo parada. Vamos a darle una soaky. La puta. Unos 50 la perra. Me acuerdo cuántas era 50 centavos, hombre. Saludos. Hace el spot free rinse, whatever. The spot free rinse is just letting go of the trigger, guys. Just let the water flow on it like that. Oh. Little bird skin right there. God damn it, bird. Alright, yeah, so that's the spot free rinse, guys. Just let go of the trigger. That's gonna give you your spot free rinse. Tips de su compa O.B.S. Se la saben. Spot free rinse. Ya, vale verga, vámonos. Ahora sí, mi gente, vamos a grabar un videito. A ver qué tal salen las fotos y los videos. Record me coming out of here. Como pueden ver aquí, se viene con madre la tormenta. Su pinche madre, se viene un tropicalonón. Miren, mi gente, se va a poner feo esto. Cuídense, ahí estamos, le dejamos unos videitos bonitos. And we're able to capture some of the skills on how to install your grill emblem. Guys, stay safe. Y'all see the storm, it's getting bad. So, ojalá y les gustó. Mi raza, todos, comenten abajo qué les pareció. Si tienen alguna pregunta del emblema, cómo instalarlo, mándenme un mensaje, llámenme. Todos mis números de información están aquí abajo. Les dejaremos el link para que puedan comprarlo. Una vez más, gracias por aportarnos y ahí estamos a la próxima.